In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add multiple photos on Snapchat Story. This enhances engagement by providing a fuller narrative of your day or experience, keeping your audience interested. To do this, simply head to your Snapchat. You can either choose to add story from camera roll, home, or stories. Now first add one photo of your own choice. To add in other photos, simply tap onto this sticker icon right here. You will want to select onto this image sticker to access other photos. Select the photo you want to add on and it will get added. To add another photo, do the same. Tap on the sticker icon and click on the image sticker to choose any other photo of your own choice. Now once added, you can just tap onto the photos to change size and shape. Once done, tap on Share button to get shared to your Snapchat story. This gives you an opportunity to express creativity, hence making your story more vibrant and memorable. That's how easy it is to add multiple photos to your story on Snapchat. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.